walking in the same way as I did, missing out of cracks in the pavement and tutting my heel and strutting my feet. Is there anything I can do for you, dear? Is there anyone I could call? No, and thank you, please, madame. I ain't lost, just wondering. Around my hometown, memories of phrase. Around my hometown.
Food banks, they're probably going to give you pasta with a sauce, cook it all up, put most of it in the fridge. They're going to make 3 or 4 meals for you. Anytime you can make more than one meal at a time, you do. And then you just freeze it or refrigerate it, because, I mean, it's the only way you're going to get by. Okay?
Part of the hope of you presenting the challenge to these participants is the fact that we all have to take ownership and responsibility to build the kind of community we all want to live in. So it's easy to do the challenge. After the challenge, then what? What do we want from these individuals? We want them to become advocates, to start saying the community that we want to live in, that we want to have, gives people who are on limited incomes enough money so that they can actually meet their needs, the basic human needs: food, shelter, clothing, without having to go to food banks or without having to go to Salvation Army for coats. The government has to know that, and they have to respond to those needs. And that's the hope of it.